Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make content pages, the wiki pages available in a mastery path. So if you're starting with a new quiz, uh, and you click over here to go into your mastery path, when I go to add conditional content, I don't necessarily see all the pages that I want, right? I see these assignments, I see a couple of pages. So if your pages isn't viewable there, um, what you need to do is go back to your module, find the page that you want. So I'm specifically looking for this thing link page. You will edit the page, and in the page options down here, you have to check Allow in Mastery Path. Once you check that and save, then you should be able to see the option to add that page into your mastery path as conditional content. So now if I go add, I can find the thing link page and add it as a conditional item in the mastery path. And so that's true for any page that you want added to your mastery paths. You just need to make sure that that option is clicked, and then you can add it into your mastery path as conditional content.